Our polished bronze finish has a bright shine with dark accents. This finish is a living finish that will adapt to its surroundings. This finish will oxidise and age, meaning it will darken over time. Manufactured from solid bronze containing 85% copper, the products are first aged and then repolished, giving a subtle contrast between the lighter surface areas and the darker detailed areas of each product. They will complement both light and dark painted wood, particularly shades of green and warm greys. For accompanying products, we recommend our aged bronze finish.